Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. To a day when we weren't alone. Take me back.
Hey loves, welcome back. So today is Friday and I'm going to school I'm going for Nisha. They're breaking off today and they're going back to school on Tuesday. So they're going for Easter holiday. So I'm late, but I wanted to give you a sneak view of my skin right now, how it's looking like. I love it. So we are just remaining with 3 days and we shall see the progress of our skin. But otherwise, I'm going out check, putting on a green shades. We are not doing makeup because we are on a journey to rectify our skin. Okay, so bye. I'm having this bag for today and I'm green. So today is day 4 of skincare and I'm also going home right now. I also have to pick my cooker. I'm going to bring it, so I'm going to be moving with Boo and I'm hosting today. Amito is coming, Amito Mitra. I don't know whether you know her, but you'll see her in my next vlogs. Yeah, I celebrated her 3 months ago when she was making 20k subscribers. So she's going to come and visit me because since I lost my dad, since I lost my dad, she has not been she has been wanting to come and visit, but I've not been in position to host people. So yeah, so she's going to come after. I just pray I don't find jam on the way. Bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some fun video. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good.
Loves, welcome back to my channel. So today is Easter Monday. Actually, happy belated Easter. Yesterday I didn't film because there was nothing exciting for me to film, and then yeah, it was just a cool day and I was just also editing, so I had videos to edit, so I didn't film. Yeah, but today I've come to show you something. I got a fridge. So I got a fridge and it came in my color, like it's matching with the theme of my sitting room. So I'm in love with it and I'm going to be giving a short tour, like just a main tour. So before I show you that, I also got some things for my kitchen and all that, so I want to show you a haul. So I got this. It's like a jerry can. Actually, I put juice and water. I think I also want to get another one because it is really nice. So see how it looks like. I don't know whether you can see that. It's called keto. That's how it's called. But look at it, it is nice and I love the color. It is colorless. Only that there was juice here, so it was in the fridge and I just wanted to show you this. I'm thinking of getting another one because I feel like it is big enough and it looks good when you put it in the fridge when you make juice and you put it in the fridge. You know, I don't want to make juice and then every time I want. So you make at once and then you put it. So I want to get another one so that I can make maybe two types of juice or three, and then I put it in the fridge so someone can just pick whatever they want. So it looks like this. It has two covers. Oh, it's hard. Ooh. It has two covers, this one, the big one, and then it has the small one. So if you're powering, you don't have to remove the bigger one, you just remove the small one, and then after you cover it. So this kettle or jerry can, it came with, actually it has this green and it looks nice. Glasses, these are melamine glasses. Actually they are not weak, they are very strong, and I love the shape of them. I also love the color. I'm not a person of colors, but I think I can work with this. I can, yeah, we can work with this, but they are nice. They are 4. They came in a set of 4. And besides that, I also bought this rolling stick. Oh, ever since I bought it, the name has been skipping my mind, like it was just disappearing. So I also got this rolling stick because there is one to bake, but I don't have this, so I've been using a bottle, and so we got it, and yeah, I'm so happy with that. And lastly, I also got this flying pan. It is stainless. I don't know what happened here, but it is stainless, and yeah, it is in black. I got this I think 2 weeks ago, but I didn't film it, and today I was like, why not, girl, an update. So I love in black. I got this I think 2 weeks ago, but I didn't film it, and today I was like, why not, girl, an update. So I love in black. I got this I think 2 weeks ago, but I didn't film it, and today I was like, why not, girl, an update. So I decided to put these bottles plus that pillow there, just because I didn't want that corner to be so blank. Like, yeah, I just didn't want it to be too empty. So this is how it looks like on the outside, and I love it. So that is the outside. Well, I decided to put it there because my kitchen is small and I'm still working on it. So I don't know whether I'll ever get a place in my kitchen. So there is nothing here because, yeah, there's nothing here. I just have this and this and this water because I'm going to make juice. So this is the freezer, and it came with these ice cubes, and I also, but it is just enough. There it has racks here that goes here, but yeah, I just removed them and I put them down, just down. If I need them up, if I get the organizers, of course I'll put them back, and so that I can fix a lot of things. So that is the freezer. That's how it looks like. It is white inside and I love it. So when you come here, it has this depression where you can touch and open than touching the fridge. This is how it looks on the inside. You see that it has 1 and 2 and 3. It has 3 layers where you can fix this and put a lot of things like ingredients, tomatoes and all that, like anything you want. And on the inside we also have quite a number of levels. I have these, guys. I'm here to clean it because I've had this for 2 weeks and I've been using it, so I just decided to remove some things that were there so that I can do this too. And I have this simple and small storage down here, so you can just pull it out. I put things and then I put it in, and then in the inside it is really deep. You see how it goes? It is deep, so there is really enough space. I decided to put this jug. I don't know why, but there is water. I take a lot of water here. So yeah, that's how it looks like on the inside, and we are loving it. Or checking. What are you checking?
They come back to the report.
I can't believe. I did geography all the while.
And you can't remember.
even have
Geography.
A level.
Why?
I did it.
Why?
I studied it as a level.
Laida.
Called it up.
Tanzania.
Perfect.
Achieve low.
That was such a
Singa twasibye.
Actually, the way I'm to sing, I'm
So guys, that's quite it. Yeah, that's what I had in this video. It is a short one, but that's what I wanted to film. And if you loved it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Of course, celebrate my win. This is a win, okay? And give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video, please. And make it a point to like each and every video that you find across or you come across on this channel. It helps me grow and it pushes my video to a wider audience. So another thing that I have to tell you, I got a cooker, guys. I got a cooker and video, please, and make it a point to like each and every video that you find across or you come across on this channel. It helps me grow and it pushes my video to a wider audience. So another thing that I have to tell you, I got a cooker, guys. I got a cooker and I'm just waiting to install it. I'm still working on my kitchen and I'm so happy and proud of me and excited. We're going to be cooking, okay? Cooking, real cooking. But anyway, I got a cooker and yeah, I'm also making some changes in my kitchen. I want to be so comfortable with it when I'm preparing or when I'm doing some things there. So I'm just doing a few changes, and yeah, just step by step. I'm not doing everything at once. I'm just doing here and there, okay? So yeah, that's what I had for today, and I hope you like it. I hope everyone is good and love you.